been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it up to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love.
Hi guys, this is Princess and this is my husband Wade. We are here now from El Nido, Palawan for island hopping. You see the view from here to there.
Our first stop was Hidden Beach. The water was really clear. The mountains and the view was really nice. We wasn't too impressed with it. The water wasn't very deep. You had to sit down and the water went up about halfway up your leg. We ended up leaving kind of quickly from here as there was a lot of tourist boats starting to pull up, and we wanted to reach the other destinations before they did so we could have the place to ourselves. Here we are arriving to Secret Beach. We have to go through a small little hole to get to Secret Beach on the other side. Under the water there was a bunch of coral, small fish, and jellyfish larvae. Here we are at the abandoned church. This is our third stop. Our third stop was the Matinloc Shrine. It had some really nice views on the inside, as well as nice vantage points to see the surrounding islands and the water. It was also a place where we was able to use a different camera, and unfortunately, it's some of the only good audio that we have because the GoPro audio all sounds like it's underwater. Here we are at the Matinloc Shrine.
Alright, here we are at the abandoned shrine. Wow, it's so okay. Wait a minute. Oh, it's so high. Wow. Babe.
Pretty high up here.
So swimming. The overall okay, it's your turn now. Read the cave. That's the inside of the cave. Huh? What kind of flower did they bury? there.
That brings us to Star Beach, which is the 4th island that we stopped at. We stopped and had lunch that the boat crew prepared for us. We had a bunch of seafood, pork and chicken, some vegetables, noodles. We also took a swim after we got done eating.
What's this? That's bubble, babe. That's a bubble.
Yeah.
That one.
Really?
Hmm?
I said really?
This one is bubbly.
No way.
No? That's not a bubbly.
Yeah.
What is that? Is the fish? No.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better.
Here we are on Helicopter Island. We're getting ready to go for a swim. The water looks very beautiful, nice and clear.
He's drinking a Red Horse.
Drinking Red Horse, enjoying some fruit.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can.
are in paradise, living it up, enjoying the scenery, the crystal clear water, so beautiful. As is my princess over here, she's so beautiful.
Okay, guys.
It's beautiful scenery that we got. It's so beautiful.
Ouch.
And I think we'll end it here.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy.
So,
Bye.
until next time.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Until next time.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.